Hi, everyone. You seriously need to see this best 10M 32-foot pressure. It has been trending everywhere lately for a good reason. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is remarkably high-end. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The smart technology inside makes it so efficient. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next